Welcome back, 8th grade. So let's talk about our last couple sessions. Lesson 29, session 3, we're talking about given certain conditions, do the following sets, like can they draw a triangle? So what we found out is when we did our try it, that for set A, conditions result in more than one triangle because it didn't give us any specifics on where things went. Our side length of 3 centimeters, our right angle, our 30-degree angle, they could go anywhere. So like our 3 centimeter, notice here it's across from the right angle, here it's across from the 60-degree angle, and here the 3 centimeters is across from the 30-degree angle. So we could move where things were. But when we got to set B and it got rigid and it said the 3 centimeters has to be between the right angle and the 30-degree angle, so then there was only one triangle we could create. And then in this case here, conditions, it asked us to draw 2 right angles and a 3 centimeter side. But if you notice, when we look at this picture, I am not going to be able to, I can only have 3 sides. These are not going to connect. So then we went into the connected piece. So it's asking, how are the conditions in set B different than those in set A? Well, we were more specific. So set B was more specific than set A. And then what did that do to the number of triangles we could make? Well, in set A we could make 3, and in set B we could only make 1. So it reduced the number of triangles down to 1 triangle. Now, if we look back at the solve it, how are the conditions in set C different from those in set B? Well, set C asked for 2 right angles, whereas set B didn't. How does that difference affect the number of triangles we can form? Well, we can't form a triangle with 2 right angles. All right, number 3. You can form 3 unique triangles with a 4 centimeter side, a 45-degree angle, and a 60-degree angle. You can form just 1 unique triangle with a 4 centimeter side between a 45 angle and a 60-degree angle. Why does changing the conditions affect the number of unique triangles you can form? And it's because we specified where the side had to go. And when we specify, when we get specific where things are, then it brings us from 3 triangles to 1 triangle. All right. So we will pull up a different video for our example problems. Have a good one.